Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of your tagged account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your tagged application. Tap on three horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on settings icon on the top. Now scroll down. Tap on log out. Now if you want your password to be saved on this device, then tap on remember me on this device on the first option, and if you don't want your password to be saved on this device, then tap on forget me on this device on the second option. Here I am going to save my password. So that is how you can easily log out of your tagged account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.